day an automated messages sent on my team on Slack, motivating them and wishing them a very good morning. Like this, you can customize these messages, you can follow up for the task, you can assign some tasks, you can do much more and send everyday messages on your Slack channel by creating this amazing Slack bot. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a no-code Slack bot in just 10 minutes. So stick to this video till the end because this can be a very helpful automation for you and your business. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect for free and if you like it, you can move in further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now first I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect. Then if you find it helpful for you and your business, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, you have to select it as scheduled by Pabbly, which is a feature by Pabbly which is going to help you schedule your workflow. For the event, select it as scheduled workflow and click on this connect. It is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day at 9 AM. So I'm just going to choose the time and date accordingly. You have to choose the date and time according to your own preferences and choices and click on this save button. Now this workflow is scheduled. Now using Gemini, we're just going to prepare a message to send on our Slack channel. Okay, so for that, click on this add new action step. Search for Gemini. You can use any another application tool like ChatGPT, Claude, Pabbly supports most of them. You have to choose it. For the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section and click on this create API key button. Now you have to name your key and select the project and click on this create key button and your key will be created. Then you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. Then click on this save and your Google Gemini, which is Google AI Studio, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to go on this select existing connection and then save. Now it is asking me for the text using which we are just going to generate the message. So I'm just going to simply copy the prompt from my previous workflow and paste it right over here. If you also want this amazing prompt, just comment prompt in this video and I'm just going to share you this prompt. Apart from that, what you can do is you can simply go open ChatGPT or Gemini and give all the details of the message you want to send. So let's say you want to send a good morning message, you can use my prompt. But let's say you want to assign some task or you want to take the updates of the task every morning. So you can customize the prompt according to that. Okay, you just have to open your AI tool and give them this prompt and say like customize a prompt for me and my business, enter your business details, then enter what type of message you require. It is going to give you the prompt. Just copy the prompt and paste it over here. After that, just simply select the model and the method. For the method, make sure to select it as generate content. Model can be of your choice and click on the save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, you're going to see we have received the response right over here and we're just going to send our team this message. Okay, so for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, let me just search for Slack right over here. So I'm just going to search for Slack and select it. For the event, we have to select it as send channel message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Slack. And now it is asking for the token type. So your token type can be either user or bot. The difference between both the token types are attached right over here. Just click on this learn more and we're going to find the document where you can see the difference between the user and the bot token types. Just read the difference and according to your own preferences choice, you just just have to type your token type. So for me it is bot, so I'm just going to type bot and click on the save button. Now make sure that the Slack account is logged in before starting with the automation. Advice first, Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Slack account. Now after that you just have to choose your workspace over here. So you have to make sure that you select the same workspace in which you have the channel. So let me just close this first, and you're going to see this is my name, which is the workspace name, which is Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to choose the same. Okay, so let's just choose the same workspace name, which is Pabbly Connect. So over here, as you can see in this workspace, we have multiple options, and I'm just going to choose Pabbly Connect because the channel in which I want to send the messages are in this workspace, which is Pabbly Connect. Okay, so after selecting the workspace, it is going to ask me for permission. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now Slack is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we have to select the channel. So I'm just going to select the channel, which is sales team. So I'm just going to search for the same and select it, and now it is asking me for the message. So yes, Gemini has generated the message, and I'm just going to enter the same. But over is the task, or you can say over is the thing that you don't have to enter the message same like copy pasting it or typing it manually. What you can do is you can simply map the message. Just put a slash and then open the response of this Google AI Studio and map it. Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, it is going to change with every new response received. I want every day unique good morning message should be generated and sent towards my team. If you want the same message should be sent, you can skip the AI step and directly type the message right over here and send it towards your team. I want to send a unique message, so I have mapped the message right over here with Gemini generated. That is asking me for many other details, so if you want you can fill in these details, but all of these details are not required, so I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the message on a Slack channel. So let me just open Slack, and you're going to see this message is sent successfully. Now every day at 9 AM this workflow is going to run. Google AI Studio is going to generate the message and send it on my Slack channel. Like this you can create multiple more automations just by knowing how to create a Slack bot. You can choose the use case, the message according to your own choice, because now you know how to create a Slack bot. That too, we did this under 10 minutes. Apart from that, this is a no coding bot you can create, and apart from that, we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, so you can create this bot for free today and try it for free. Yes, it is a very helpful and useful feature if you use Slack for your team communication. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Apart from that, the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below, and also over here on the screen. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Now if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want the prompt, the workflow URL is attached. You can check the prompt from there. Otherwise, just comment prompt and I'll share you this amazing prompt. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.